So once again, I am experiencing a frustration with electronics, and this time it's my phone needs to have the software upgraded. Additionally, the laptop that I have access to should also be upgraded, but ain't nobody got time for that. I'm confused because back in December, it says that I tried to upgrade it, but it's saying that the upgrade failed. And I'm trying to spend more time trying to figure out what was wrong during that instance. So now my iPhone has this problem to where for some reason it's not finding any Wi-Fi networks. And I have tried everything from resetting the network to I don't know what else I've done. Basically, everything that Google suggested, I have done. One of the things it suggests is doing something to some code or whatever, but you need to be able to pick up the network, and that's exactly what my phone is doing. It's trying to say that anywhere I go to, nobody's using Wi-Fi, and that's impossible. Apple is telling me that I need to make sure that I download the latest software and whatnot. Downloading a software is no joke because it's over 2 gigabytes in size and it takes approximately 4 hours to do. So the biggest frustration I've been experiencing with it is that most of the public networks that I have available to me to use Wi-Fi, they have a timer. It's usually like after 120 minutes, it kicks you out. And this is the thing that irritated me about upgrading through iTunes, which is what I'm having to do since I can't do it over Wi-Fi. During one of the rounds where I was trying to download the software, it kicked me out from the network. Like, I don't know if the router just had a hiccup or anything, but the download was interrupted. I click resume because it was saying that the download had been paused and I was already 1 gigabyte done. So like 2 hours of my life there. And then I resumed the download and it does not pick up from where it left off. No, it starts over from 0 kilobytes. I was so irritated because it looked like it was downloading fast to catch up to where it had left off, because I've done that before to where I pause something from downloading and give it some 10 seconds and it quickly catches up to where it had left off. But not with this iTunes software upgrade for the iPhone. Hell no. It went back to 0 and it showed me 6 hours remaining. And then after 2 minutes, it said 4 hours remaining. And 4 hours was the most accurate representation. And I remember when I was helping mom upgrade her phone took 3 hours to upgrade. And so now I'm just really frustrated because first I need to restore my iTunes Apple ID because for some reason the password I know that is right because I had recently updated it. It's not working. And then Apple is saying that they need to process the account recovery. And I'm like, why? It used to be I would hit forgot password and you would email me the steps to reset it. But now you're telling me it's already been 8 days since I submitted the request. 8 freaking days. And here I am still waiting. And there's a bunch of stuff that I haven't been able to do because I cannot access that account, that Apple ID. So the problem with this is since I don't have Wi-Fi at home, I have to be out somewhere for roughly 4 hours downloading something. I don't have anything to do like that for 4 hours. I'm not the kind of person who is stuck on her phone all day. and I cannot pause the download and be like, in a couple of hours I'll come back and finish this up. No, because it won't let me. It won't save the progress. So yeah, you guys, that's all the rambling and bitching that I had to do. Because this has really been ruining my week. Because I have so much stuff pending, so much important stuff that I want to get done, but I can't do it if technology is not cooperating. Do you ever experience bullcrap like this with your electronics? I would love to hear your stories because I hate computers, but somehow I'm good at them. So the reason I started to reach out to Apple was because I'm really trying to see if they had a shortcut for me, but apparently not. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you soon.